Good afternoon, this is Dan Haugh, PTI Securities and Futures, coming to you for your Monday, January 30th afternoon wrap-up. Overnight, the equity markets were relatively, normal range, about 14 points, mostly to the downside, due primarily to Europe. Greece concerns weighing heavily on Europe. Asia was down also. Europe was down, percent and a half. So we started off pretty much in the negative category. Before our opening, we had personal income came in a little bit better than expected, and personal spending came in a little worse than expected. So if you believe the fact that people are making more money, they're just choosing not to spend it. We opened down about 6 or 7, and we actually traveled down to S&Ps were down about 15 at one point. Not much earning news today. There was quite a few, but there was no one of note really today. Along about noon, the market started to rally, and then after that we've had pretty much what we had all in January, just a slow, steady, no volume kind of grab back of what we lost early in the day. But we did actually close in a negative today. The SPX closed 1312, down 3. The Dow closed 12397, down 17. The NASDAQ closed at 2811, down 4. Bonds really took it on the chin in terms of yield today, as well as the 10-year note, but they also came back a little bit. But even still, the 10-year note closed at 1.83 on the yield, and that's really kind of showing fear. The 30-year fell below 3% also, so both the bonds are showing a lot more nervousness than the stock market at this point. The dollar was positive today, 79.15, down or up 31.31. Gold down 1768, down 3. Coming up, we got a pretty full economic calendar. We actually have the jobs report on Thursday, and we also have the employment number on Friday. We have ISM number on Wednesday, and several other reports coming out tomorrow. So realistically, we're going to be more data, and it pretty much has to be good, because with the nervousness brewing over in Greece, these numbers have to come in pretty good, otherwise we could have a little bit of a sell-off this week. This has been Dan Haugh, PTI Securities and Futures.